Furthermore, it is learnt that Phase 3 and Phase 4 of the Umiam power project is still not functional, thereby have incurred a loss of around 36 crores.
Well-scripted modus operandi. Means the modus operandi is as such, wherein with certain excuses, by making certain pretexts or excuses, they can extract money, public money. So for the billing also, for the payment of the outstanding bills, they have made another mechanism, one-time settlement scheme. In one-time settlement scheme, the outstanding bill up to 31st March 2020, if the party who are being defaulted in the payment, if they pay the entry amount, 30% of the outstanding bill will be waived out. See? 30% of the outstanding bill amount will be waived out. So when worked out, the total outstanding bill involving the industries and the domestic consumers, the amount is coming up to around 700 crores. Is it not a big amount? 700 crores. So when it is worked out, almost 50%, just little above the quantum of power being consumed by the domestic consumers is being consumed by the industries. Maybe 52, 48%, 52% may be consumed by the industries. So these industries, they are making money. They are earning. But then, okay, if it is domestic consumers, those who are at the mercy as to how to give the payment of the outstanding dues, if it is waived for the domestic consumers, we are not against it. But why the industries also should be included? The commercial entities. There is some malafide intention, my dear friends. It's a scam. Another scam in the same department. Scam after scam. And another issue. Here, this 30% of the outstanding dues will be waived out, has got some alternative. It is called DPC, Delayed Payment Charge. Delayed Payment Charge, there is a system in the power department. So out of the total amount to be paid on DPC, 100% will be waived out if they give the payment in one go. So whichever is lesser in amount, they will do. Either 30% of the outstanding dues will be waived out, or the DPC, the interest, 100% of the interest for delayed payment charge, as delayed payment charge will be waived out. This is why these are all happening. There is a mess in the MSCL, in the power department. The director distribution got retired in the month of August this year, 2020. Till now, this post lying vacant has not been filled up. The director transmission is taking charge of director distribution. Why, you know? This government is searching someone who will comply with their needs, Probably they might not have got the appropriate person who can be made director of distribution. If you recall the past, in last December 2019, very junior officer has been made the chairman and managing director, CMD of the company, MECL. Then in last budget session, I raised this issue in the assembly. The chief minister replied that it's an interim arrangements. Very shortly, full-fledged CMD will be appointed. But till now, it's not happened. Just as an IWAS, recently, the previous CMD was replaced, and replaced by whom? Replaced by another junior officer, the present incumbent. One gentleman who is IS of 2011 batch. He is the officer in the government in the rank of additional secretary. The previous one was joint secretary level. The present one is additional secretary level. Meaning, as LO was rightly mentioning, it's all well scripted modus operandi. Whoever will listen to their needs, that those kind of people are only being put in such places where this kind of exercise can be made. Lots of mismanagement in MECL which are yet to be rectified. Phase 3 and Phase 4 of Umiam hydropower project is still not functional. One of the machines in Phase 3 and Phase 4 of Umiam hydropower project, thereby incurring a loss of around 36 crores. And in 1 year, it's been more than 1 year now, more than 100 crores. 36 lakhs daily incurring loss. That means 10.80 crores in a month. Now it is more than 1 year, more than 100 crores the MECL is losing from its entertainment. So, my dear friends, it's a very matter of concern.